Hi, I am Sindhu TG, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Mathematics, Shakti College of Arts and Science for Women, Ottanchitram. Here we discuss the topic Laplace transforms. First we explain the definition. If a function ft is defined for all positive values of the variable t and if integral 0 to infinity e power minus st ft dt exists and is equal to f of s, then f of s is called the Laplace transform of ft and is denoted by the symbol L of ft. Hence, L of ft is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st ft dt is equal to f of s. The operator L that transform ft into f of s is called the Laplace transform operator. Limit s tends to infinity, f of s is equal to 0. Next we explain piecewise continuity. That is, a function ft is said to be piecewise continuous in a closed interval ab if it is defined on that interval and is such that the interval can be broken up into a finite number of subintervals in each of which ft is continuous. Ft can have only ordinary finite discontinuous in the interval. Next we explain the exponential order. A function ft is said to be of exponential order if limit t tends to infinity e power minus st f of t is equal to 0 or from some number s0, the product e power minus s0 t into mod ft less than m for t greater than capital T. That is, e power minus s0 t into mod ft is bounded for a large values of t, say for t greater than capital T. Next we explain some sufficient conditions for the existence of Laplace transform. First one, ft is continuous or piecewise continuous in the closed interval ab for a greater than 0. Second one, it is of exponential order. Third one, t power n ft is bounded near t is equal to 0 for some number n greater than 1. Next we explain some results in Laplace transforms. First one, L of ft plus yt is equal to L of ft plus L of it. We have L of ft plus yt is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t plus y of t dt is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f t dt plus integral 0 to infinity e power minus st phi of t dt is equal to L of ft plus L of it. Second one, L of c into ft is equal to c into L of ft, where c is a constant. We have L of c ft is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st c into ft dt. Taking c from the integral, we get c into integral 0 to infinity e power minus ft dt is equal to c into L of ft. Third, L of e power minus at is equal to 1 by s plus a provided s plus a greater than 0. L of e power minus at is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into e power minus at dt is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus of s plus a into t dt. Integrating we get e power minus s of s plus a t by minus of s plus a to the limit 0 to infinity is equal to 1 by s plus a. Similarly, L of e power 8 is equal to 1 by s minus a provided s minus a greater than 0. Thank you.